Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, growing up, my mother always say, it's only people who are criminals always have something to hide. You understand? And throughout my life, I have nothing to hide. I am not ashamed of my past. Where I'm from. You understand? Yes, and the people them that I've encountered with and grew up with. So this guy, Marvin Tucker of the Tucker gang from Clarendon. Yeah, so a policeman had contacted me, who used to do at Clarendon, telling me that I do not know Marvin Tucker, that I am lying. Yes. That I did not grow up with Marvin Tucker, I did not know him or anything like that. So we just laugh, you understand what I'm saying? So the reason why we laugh, because, look, I'm the kind of guy like this, that's why a lot of people do not like me, because I just speak the truth and just speak it as it. I'm not going to try to embarrass the same policeman, the same detective who used to be in Clarendon, saying that I'm looking clout. What kind of clout I could be looking for, say, I know Marvin Tucker and I grew up with him. You understand? Yeah, so, you're going to hear from a youth, a man, me and him a friend, we're pretty much in a same age group. We went to the same school, same high school and all of these things. And it's just a brief snips you're going to hear. Because this man and Marvin Tucker live in a same community. Marvin Tucker and I didn't live in the same community. We only went to the same school. Marvin Tucker had a brother who was in JDF, Intel, them call him Int. And him can't, you understand what I'm saying? When I call him name, when I go say where he's living, his sister and I used to go to school to. And Marvin Tucker brother and my cousin, them are still friends to this day. And when I go elaborate on that. So, so to all of you and all them things, they think that we do things with you. We don't do things with you. We just speak the truth. Yeah, so sometimes we can't help but wonder about our past. Who were we? Where did we came from? It is in our nature to seek answers to uncover the mysteries of our existence. But what happens when our past is lost? A lot of people always tend to erase them past and create a narrative that don't fit in them past and them lie about it, and you understand? Hey, look, my address them in Jamaica, believe you me. You understand what I'm saying? Yes, even when I join the police force and them thing, they have to, you have on the farm and them thing, they have to use Fullscape to add my other address them and them thing. The amount of places that I have, and I am not ashamed. I just saw it one them thing because, at Jamaica that. So when there are no memories to guide us, no connections to anchor us, we become adrift, lost in a sea of uncertainty. A man without a past is a man without a future. My mother always said that. You understand? So how can we move forward if we need to know where we are coming from? Our past shaped us and molded us into who we are. It is the foundation upon which we built our lives. Yes, it is not always easy to face our past. Memories can be painful, true. Secrets can be buried deep within. And most family or most people from Jamaica and them thing, especially from my background, have some deep secret that them no want nobody to know, because these people no want, you understand, as Bob Marley, people that run for the hills. But I just saw it one thing. As my mother always say, if you have somebody in your family who commit crime and all them, there's no reason for you to be ashamed. Because it's not you. You understand? And it's just the same thing like with Angela Brown Burke. She had denied say Tony Brown her father. And we just show you them thing. All she have to just simply say, look here, Tony Brown is my father, I did not choose my father. Because you can't choose your father. I couldn't choose my father or my mother. If I could choose my mother and my father, I'd choose some rich people and them thing that I mean have to go through all of them traumatic experience growing up. You understand? Yes, I just saw it go. But it's just simple. Yeah, Tony Brown and my father. I have no control over what my father had done. I don't support what he did. What he did was wrong. That's criminal, and my thought process is totally different and philosophy as my father. But because she has the same thought process and the same philosophy, criminality, yes, yeah man, and supporting criminals. That's why she that's why she just stay silent and look. And the people them know her and know who are in the PMP LGBTQ plus. You think them all come out come say no, them afraid. Because hey, you see the birth them are some dangerous people. So we'll continue the journey. So the power of a forgotten past lies in its ability to free us from the chains of uncertainty. When we embrace our past, may I always do that, we find the keys to unlocking our true potential. We discover the lessons learned, the strength gained, and the wisdom accumulated. Our forgotten past becomes a compass guiding us towards an uncertain future. In a world where we are constantly searching for answers, it's important to remember the significance of our past. It is a reminder of who we are, where we have been, and where we can go. So let's not shy away from our past, but instead embrace it. Let's dive into the depths of our memories, unearthing the treasures hidden within. Only then can we unveil the path of our uncertain future. Yeah man, so if you haven't subscribed to the Jamaica Young Police channel, yeah man, this is the time man, subscribe to the channel. Yes, subscribe. Click on the notification bell and it will serve you well. Yeah man, because whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video, yeah, you will be the first to get a notification. Like the video, yeah man, like the video so other people can get to see it. Stop being selfish. Yeah, hey look man, a whole lot of selfish people are watching video them and them thing there. Look here man, like the video, you can't have 1,000 people I watch a video and only 12 people. Come on, so you tell me say 900 odd people on the channel just a watch and a sleep or just a play because you try to get the channel views. Just like this, before you start watch man, just like it, like the video. Because you must love the content while you're still watching it, you understand? So if you enjoy it man, please subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. So in this captivating video, we delve into the intriguing life of Marvin Tucker. Yeah man, Marvin Tucker, one of Jamaica's most infamous criminals and leader of the notorious Tucker gang in Clarendon. Yeah man, growing up, I had the unique experience of attending the same school as Marvin Tucker, even passing common entrance examination there. Yeah. So during our time in school, I got to know Marvin Tucker's sister and brother. Marvin Tucker is a younger man than me then, younger boy than me then. You understand? If my memory serves me right, I have a little sister. He and my little sister were in class together. And my little sister, where I said, when my little sister go school, I see him school and them thing. If she in a crowd of kids, you can identify her. So I have to go elaborate on them thing. Because man, I tell me say boy, say me love discriminate against black people. I don't know where this man get it from. Like say my man, you understand? So may I tell you. So interestingly, his brother was a remarkable member of the Jamaica Defence Force, specializing in intelligence. Yeah man, heal up the man. Me not calling him. Yeah, money, best friend. Now money are my cousin. Money are detective. Yeah man, all of my family, them and them thing there, and brother and one and two little things. That's how it go. We come from a law enforcement family. You understand? We serve, we protect, and we assure. Only one ever reach the rank of deputy soup and he's dead. So it was the very same brother who played a pivotal role in aiding the security force to bring Marvin Tucker down in a hail of bullets. Yeah man, Marvin Tucker, own blood brother. You understand? So despite having the chance to live a lawful life with his siblings, Marvin Tucker opted to stay in Jamaica as he rejected the idea of assimilating in the United States of America. The man have him green card, where he possessed a valid green card. All of them have green card and all them thing there. Even the one where the inner military at Jamaica and them thing. And then after Marvin did him just like everybody just threw it and say, alright, where I left. Yeah, because them not going funeral, you're going to hear it and them thing there. Them we make certain so them name not involved because them are people are upstanding people. I tell you that. Marvin Tucker family, people when they know Marvin Tucker would be frightened for no say boy, this youth here come from such a decent family. But you know some mother and them thing, they don't care where them son do. Yeah, them still are defend them cause them son. And that's how Marvin Tucker mother did. Cause she bury me. If I was the others, the siblings them, oh, a government bury me, I tell you that. Because him brother and sister, them no in them thing there. Me I tell you that, you know. Yeah, man. And him, hey, you see him brother? I show you that, you know, man. Them man in a play, man. Them man they are some firm youth from where I got school. Them man in a thing get trouble. Yeah, man. You understand? Even his brother, even all Marvin, when Marvin I go school, Marvin know I get trouble. So Marvin was no youth where you know as a troublemaker when we are go school and them thing there. You understand? Well-bred youth, and you understand what I'm saying? So I just saw it go, you know. But as you're going to hear from, you know, one of our friends was schoolmate, I tell you, you know, I give a little snips about Marvin life and them thing. Because him and Marvin used to live in the same community, you know. When I say live, and I'll feel his brother and Marvin, the most best friend and all them thing there. But his brother is still alive. But I'm going to talk to a man, the man who know Marvin better than anyone else. Yeah, man, a virgin named Danny. When I tell you where Danny live, because Danny is the man who teach Marvin for use gun, you know. Yeah, man, and him tell you how Marvin start chuck it. Yeah, man, and that man teach Marvin how to use gun and them thing. And them man, they used to live in a yeah, better would have say Cockburn Pen or them thing. Near Tower Hill in a Cockburn Pen, them man they used to live. And them man they teach Marvin how to use gun. Where the man they used to go to school to and them thing. And them man they are law-abiding citizen. So nobody feel because we say him teach him for use gun means he must gunman. The man they a security guard. You understand? And him bring Marvin in a thing and but you understand. So some man just can't wait, you know, as a year are you going to hear from this man say Marvin Tucker die man with him wealthy and him pass on him wealth to, you know, people others, you understand? So you know see. So yeah man, the man did have Marvin Tucker did have a green card. I'll tell you that when I ask, where I tell you. So to the police where I said, well, you don't know Marvin, you hear no, you understand. So you're going to hear from a man where him grew up and him thing there. Marvin went to school and his brother and Marvin. So his decision, Marvin's Tucker decision, ultimately led him on a path of crime and darkness. So to corroborate and shed more light on this captivating case, you will hear from one of my esteemed schoolmates and lifelong friends who will confirm the truth about Marvin Tucker's attendance at our school. So my intention in sharing this story isn't to see mere views or sensationalize the topic. Instead, I aim to educate, inspire, and inform the audiences, encouraging them to become the best versions of themselves. So join us as we unveil Jamaica's notorious killer, Marvin Tucker, through this weird, rare and untold story. Delve into the depths of his choices, motivation and ripple effect he left behind. Let's explore the hidden corners of history together. So for more thought-provoking content, insightful stories and empowering narratives, subscribe to our channel and join our community. Yeah man, join Patreon, join the and you'll get videos that you won't get on YouTube. So like you're going to hear a man give you some history about East Kingston, Danai Williams, Tony Brown, Giant Flash, and all of them people. They would all kind of thing on Philip Palwell, Dr. Peter Phillips, and all kind of, even all Renita Adams, corrupt police officer, I called Tony Giant Flash, the man I give them information. You're going to hear it for yourself. So you have to be a Patreon member to hear all of them. You're going to hear who killed Rifle, who's behind it, Rifle best friend. You're going to hear who killed Trinity, that our next man where him and Rifle was best friend, them grew up together. You're going to be shocked to find out who killed the man and all kind of, you understand? You're going to hear who killed Douglas Chambers, the people them in the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization who ordered the killing of Douglas Chambers, that they went to Tesha Miller and based on people who close to him and information released. That's why the PMP LGBTQ plus government they dismantle special branch, because special branch, you know, very effective intelligence agency. So everything that the British have left us to work with as a people, the PMP them destroy it because it's effective. So they want Jamaica to remain they want Jamaica to be a criminal paradise. So yeah, and you're gonna learn that even Marvin Tucker was a big time shotter on him thing for the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. Marvin Tucker was in prison, you know, at Horizon, you know, and to this date, you know, no one know how Marvin Tucker got out. But he was a big time PMP gunman, you know. Yes, man. Marvin was a big, you understand. Even James Sines and them, man, they know Marvin, and you understand. At one time, how he end up in Horizon. When Marvin Tucker was wanted, the police held him in there. Unspear police held him in there. And I was the one who pointed him out, you know. Cause I can't miss. You know, you see Marvin and his brother, you can't miss. You understand? So people who know Marvin Tucker will see his brother and will think he's a dopey and a dopey and brother. So you understand? You know. But I just saw it go on them thing there. So for more thoughtful, provoking content, insightful stories, and empowering narrative, subscribe to our channel and join our community of individuals striving to make a positive impact. Together, let us embark on a journey towards enlightenment and personal growth. One of Jamaica's most notorious killers was a criminal named Marvin Tucker, the infamous leader of the Tucker gang in Clarendon. So, you know, we grew up together, we went to the same school together, and I told you already, say I know his brother, I know his sister, you understand? So, I just saw it go on them thing there. But you know, some people, them always tend to want to forget about them past. We don't forget our past and them thing there. You understand? So we don't do story because we want to get views. We do story to educate, inspire, inform, and inspire others to be the best of them person. You understand? You can't forget the past. Yeah, you understand? You know, as them say, a man without a past is a man without a future. And most people do not. Them always are try to hide from them past. You understand? We not gonna do that, you know, because our past is that shape us where we are, you know, at this point in our life. So by unraveling the mystery of our forgotten past, you know, we gain fresh perspective on our present choices to unlock the potential to crave our path toward an uncertain future and with confidence and purpose. So discover the enlightening ways in which familiarizing ourselves with our history can empower us to make informed decisions, cultivate a sense of identity, and foster personal growth. As renowned philosophers George Santayana once said, those who cannot remember the past are condemned to repeat it. So let me repeat that. As renowned philosopher George Santayana once said, famously, those who cannot remember the past are condemned to repeat it. So through a captivated narrative and insightful analysis, we delve into the role of our forgotten past steering the course of my life. Be it familiar, heritage, cultural background, or personal experience, each component contributes to the mosaic of our identities and influences the choices we make. By acknowledging and embracing our past, we gain the wisdom and clarity needed to navigate the uncharted territory that lies ahead. So embrace the transformative power of self-discovery and journey to uncover the untapped potential buried within your forgotten past. Together, let us break free from the chain of uncertainty, seize control of our destiny, and carve a future defined by purpose and growth and fulfillment. Yeah, man, so, you know, I want you to listen to the conversation that we have with one of our schoolmates growing up together. A man, as we tell you already, a man who went to school, yeah, with Marvin Tucker. You remember, he was killed, you know, he was the infamous leader of the Tucker gang. Yeah, man, and he was killed by the Clarendon police. Yeah, you know, led by, you know, a esteemed detective, Sergeant Graveney. Yeah, man, Graveney, a bad police and them thing there. You understand? So, you know, as we tell you already and them thing there, so it was his brother, you know, Marvin Tucker brother, who was in the Jamaican Defence Force and intel officer in the Jamaican Defence Force. We're not going to tell you the man first or last name. We're not going to make you know that. You understand? But he was the one who that was his last case that he did, and after his brother, you know, his brother was taken out, then him just call it a day and him just leave. Cause all of them, you know, all of them did have them thing, and you understand. But him just love Jamaicans. I don't know if him get some clout and them thing for being a criminal, but you know, going in a criminal world and them that dance and big up Tucker, all them thing, you understand. So, you know, so the police killed Marvin Tucker during a alleged gun battle one Saturday evening in Clarendon. So a highly placed source confirmed that the instruction have been issued for personnel at all police stations to heighten their vigilance. Because Marvin Tucker, you know, was a notorious killer, you know. So the police them, you know, him friend them, them all threaten all the police them, so them all kill them and them thing there. So the series of events that led to Mr. Tucker's death started shortly after 6 p.m. that Saturday. So members of a patrol team along Manchester Avenue signaled a car to stop. That information that the police had received through police control came from his brother. Yes, Marvin Tucker brother. So we are showing say it's not a family who support criminality. Marvin Tucker brother, yeah man, I see him on police them kill him and them thing. Because the man brought embarrassment to the family. He did not attend the funeral. I spoke to him and his sister, you understand? So those who went to the funeral, hey, them are some them man they are serious man, you understand? So yeah, so after he had passed on, they had passed on the information to police control and them pass it on, and you understand where the vehicle was and all of them things. So the police them signal the car to stop. The driver reportedly disobeyed the police, and the police gave chase, and the vehicle later cornered the vehicle on Glenmore Road, and it alleged that 4 occupants fired at the police fleeing the car. A shootout during which Mr. Tucker and 43-year-old Noel Simpson were shot. The other 2 men escaped. And on the nearby bushes, because Glenmore, the sound of the bushes, them escape in the nearby premises, and you understand me, maybe them find themselves, we don't know. So them get to it, maybe them got a Jack Monday. But Tucker was a PMP LGBTQ plus criminal. We are telling you that, because I just saw it go on them thing there. You understand? We tell you already, Yeah, so when the detective was responsible for that feat and them thing, the most remarkable feat, saving. You understand? It's a man, I want the baddest police ever and them thing they were ever touched Grace Clarendon, yeah man, graveness. So we tell you, you understand. So we want to listen to our schoolmate, yeah man, I tell you, about Marvin Tucker, because we don't tell lie on people, So when we even tell people, say, boy, we on Ratcliffe Road grew up on them thing there. Yeah, man like Burke and Eli, Eli, Pepe, and we can't go Mikey, we can't take, Gulliver, Blue, we can't tell you all of the man them thing there, and Dinah, you understand what I'm saying? So, and people, you understand, I just saw it one of them thing there. We not have no control about we past and the people them that we have crossed path with, but we just choose a different pathway because we not like criminal and them thing there. So that's why we become police. You understand? So we want, so you watch, you listen, and you decide, and you understand. And remember, to make your comments known in the comment section. You understand? So just listen to our schoolmate. We're having a conversation, confirming, our time growing up with Marvin Tucker.
Well, with Papa son, just want to sit there go there also.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you why I'm calling you and everything. So one could eat I wish I would have thought my guys behind it.
Nah, my brother in there. Where's
one could eat that police where you used to work at Maypen. So they don't know true. Me say mistake in a video say boy. Me know Marvin Tucker and me know him brother and sister me and me.
Yeah, man.
Hold on. You look a fool. Say I lie me, I tell them thing. They are clout me, I look. So
clout. Hold
on. So me just say alright, cause I want to with me and them thing. Me nah nothing for hide, and me nah want to with me and them thing. Me nah grow up. Me never grow up to tell lie and them thing. You understand? And he must say boy. So you know one call him brother and him sister name. I say look here, them people they are decent people, cause me and them go to school. You understand? And me not even went as far as to tell them, say, to make them know, say boy, I'm one brother, we're in a intelligence, JDF, why them get to catch Marvin and kill him.
Yes,
and them and him and the sister not even them, none of them don't go to the funeral. I just the mother alone and them thing. You understand?
Yeah, Sherry. I mean, look at sister Sherry.
Yeah, but when I want to call up them, because you don't know, you remember say them people, the uncle, the little sister, they go.
Yeah, Sherry. Sherry. But the boy, Marvin took ever hold for money, You don't say Sherry.
No, man. Me and him talk. Remember say my money are best friend and them thing there, See him from where I go to school. Okay. So that's why I not even call. That's why I not even call him name, because we not even want people who know. I'm gonna say, boy, so you protect you. I don't protect. We are protect him and them thing, because them man they not involved. Them not even know say I'm one brother. Make why Marvin Tucker dead. him own blood brother. And yeah, cause if them see him brother and them thing, the people will think say Marvin, you know, cause them dead stamp it up.
Yeah. But boy, I tell you, say, all the way now say it makes sense, and I say it goes. So, but me knows, no people not gonna know that I say it goes still. So.
Yeah, man, because me know say apart from you and them thing, me know say Danny are the man, cause him used to there on Danny, you know, before him start fire gun, you know, cause remember say Danny teach him to use gun and all them things there, and you understand that.
Tell say boy, the first check you get, you know. You go buy 38, the first money you get, you go buy 38, you know, and I just start, you know, just do security. If the first little money you get, you go buy a gun, and that's it.
Yeah, man, then I saw Danny tell me, man, Danny say, man, say, boy, I say, oh, boy, I mean, you know, what, boy.
I don't man myself about kind that. Because when I boy that quit, I know them not come here to attack. I'm just sitting there and I little more time. I want the boy to get trouble. They know this. I think go somewhere. And they set up in debt, you know.
Yeah, man, but I remember say because of the disgrace and bring down upon them family and them thing there. Yeah, because remember say for them family, you know, man. Remember say a bright people, them, you know, and them a lot. Them remember saying a law abiding people. Them people they are upstanding people in the community where we used to live on them thing there, you know. Hey, the call her name. Cause I years me not even talk to that sister there and them thing there. Cause the whole of we used to know lesser class and them thing there, you know. You understand? Boy, I just saw it go on them thing there, you know. Boy, I just embarrass the family and them thing there, but
a long time. I know someone police and catch him over L-side then, and I go slap him and they say, yo, and he talk and they say, I don't look at man call him and say, yeah, man, I know him, man.
But between me and them thing there, you know, say him did that Horizon, and you know, say at the same PMP them let him out though.
Yes, I mean that jail.
I see him PMP, because you know, say him was a PMP, you know, say him used to do a whole heap of thing for them though. You know, so you know something now, nobody know how him come out of Horizon. Marvin, you never know.
Come in that prison, you know.
Yes, but you understand. And come out of Horizon up to now, nobody know how him come out. But him was a PMP bad man and them thing there, you know, good man, you know.
That's why I never like head with Hector Lam, you know, Hector in a labor right.
Yeah, man. So and him couldn't come nowhere near Hector turf and them thing, because Hector danger, Hector marksman, you know.
Yeah, man. I see those boys now, man.
What? Me I tell you, man. Hey, and look how them man look unassuming, man. You understand? You know, see? Hey, you know, but you know, say him the killer them own brother and them thing there.
Yes,
I'm kill Lester, you know.
Yeah, I ain't kill Lester for true.
Yeah, man. Hey, me ask him about it, man, when him die prison and them thing. But hey, me I tell you still though, you know, between me and you. It's a man when the man that when you know say me don't know, but I just respect where him have for me and them thing. Because you know, say me and him the tight from where I grew up and all them thing. The alone where I go high school. You understand what I'm saying? You know, say in 86 when them rob Anatone Baker, you know, say a week before them rob it, Hector tell me, you know, me and Steve, you know.
Yeah, close. They tell me that mirrors, man. So Hector.
Yeah, man. Yeah, me I tell him, man. Hey, you know, say Hector, like. At one time, for month, Hector used to carry film 9 con of school in the 80s, you know what?
I told you, remember my boy, they can't afford to see too?
Yeah, man, that's Winston Simpson. Winston Simpson, him a security guard. And look how them man, they change them life and them thing, the Winston Simpson. Okay, him did say, boy, I do this, him say, I do this to tell him, say, boy, hey, look, you know, them thing in a cut out for you and them thing there, you know, this badness business. I don't know why. But boy, hey, may I tell you, man. But so Marvin and them thing there. Oh, him just stay so and him just get so evil and them thing there.
Marvin and my brother Devon in that same class.
So you say with Imam Marvin the tight when him go to school.
Then I see in class, man, and two of them, one of them him no care feedback now. Marvin care feedback and him care Marvin back like a two clown.
It one of my them in a friend.
Friends, they got TV people kid, two of them go pints, guy, two of them are eat the same kid. Then to cut from two different feelings, two of them are cut with one kid and eat it. So
nobody when we deliver country and them thing, no man, you know, back in them time, no man not pies no key and them thing there.
But they are hurried and everything. Like,
you understand? You know, but boy, the youth them just.
I'm not too. I put I'm not tourist boy, no. The boy Marvin there, no.
Me know, man. But you know, hey, look, man, and you know, our most people, you know, you have to applaud them brother and them thing there, you know, for work. Come talk to him and them thing. Cause say mama, my cousin them are still batty and shame, you know, my money, you know though. Yeah, man, yeah, but him still in the police force and them thing, but me not even call him name and them thing, because you don't know through politics and you know, so me have only a police enemy and them thing, you know. So, who know my family, them and them thing, and my brother and them thing, they know me, you understand? Because most of the police, them in the police force are thieves still doing it, you have to understand that, you know. And you know that too, because you did the own police and you have only a police in a fear family too. You know, at this channel, you know, at the Jamaica Young Police channel, you know, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law. Yeah, man, and we don't support criminals and them enablers and supporters. We don't do that. We totally against them. So, you know, at this channel, our highest priority is our reputation, character, and integrity. Unlike many others, we don't care or create videos solely for views. No. Our true purpose is to educate, inspire, uplift, and bring out the best in others. We firmly believe that knowledge is power, and by sharing Marvin's incredible story, we hope to ignite a sense of motivation and positivities within all our viewers. Yeah, so that's what we all about at this channel, you know, you understand? So as we come to the end, you know, of this captivating expedition, as we unravel the life events that shaped Marvin Tucker's into the remarkable individual that, you know, that he became and later on loses his life, the experience, challenging and triumph he faced are bound to leave an indelible imprint on your art, pushing you to strive for greatness in your own life. So you understand. So as we come to the end of this video, yeah, we just want to let people know that, look, crime doesn't pay. And the most important thing, you say if you respect yourself and you respect the life of others, you won't think to harm another person. And somebody who is empty would think in such way. But we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we do believe that everyone must live a life of dignity. You must respect people. You understand? But some people have no respect for other people's life. But we respect people. You understand? And that's the most important thing. We don't celebrate, revere, or laud people who violate other people's right. Because, look, life, you know, we only have one life. And with one life, yeah, we have to protect it by all means necessary. And those who want to violate other people's right, that's why we do believe in preemptive strike. Yeah, man, we do believe in preemptive strike because they save life. Yeah, man, so we want to, you know, heal up all of the people them who know us, you know, growing up and all, you understand? I know that we haven't changed, we are the same person. One thing that we age, we are not perfect, and we give God thanks to life. And all of the people that we have encountered in our life, good, bad, and the indifference. Some people not gonna like us, some will like us, and them will like us privately. Some will not like us, it don't matter what we have done. But guess what? We care zero about that. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, we never do things with popularity. We was never popular when we grew up on them things there. Yes, because we just say things as it is, and because of that, you know, yeah, again, enemy and them thing. As we state, I would say that, and we continue to say, you know, we only have two best friends in my life, two, and both of them dead. So I'm not no best friend and them thing there, because you know them thing there just, it's hard to find people who are even genuine. I have worked with people who I thought that were even like my best friends, yeah, and it turned out that it's just all about money. So it's hard to find best friends. So if you think you have a best friend, your best friend have another best friend. So you understand, hard. So have yourself a beautiful day. Stay out of trouble and continue. Yeah, man. Team Jamaica. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.